Welcome to this new JavaScript series of DOM manipulation. In this series, we will look into DOM and learn everything about it through examples by creating simple beginner projects. The Document Object Model, DOM, is a programming interface for HTML and XML documents. It specifies the logical structure of documents as well as how they are accessed and modified. It is a method of representing a web page in an organized hierarchical manner, making it easier for programmers and users to navigate the text. Using the document objects commands or methods, we may simply access and edit HTML tags, IDs, classes, attributes, or elements. Another way to think about the DOM and how it works is as a tree of nodes, as you can see on the screen now. So here is simply a basic diagram of a DOM tree and all of its nodes. Everything in this diagram is a type of node, from the root element to the attributes to the text content, and even line breaks and comments, which we'll see later on, are nodes, and they all make up the DOM tree. Here, the DOM object is actually a property of the window object, which is the global top-level object representing a tab in the browser. And this window object has access to information such as toolbars, window height and width, prompts, and even alerts. Here in this example, HTML ID is a root element, which is a top-level element, and whatever comes after that will be a parent element or sibling, like this, where head and body are siblings but also parents to other elements like the title or div tag. Note that attributes or properties of any element are also part of the DOM hierarchy, but they are not explicitly mentioned as parent, child, or siblings like the other nodes do. The way they are accessed is through properties of the element node that they're contained in now often. There will be times you want to move throughout the DOM, so understanding this parent-child-sibling relationship is crucial to understanding how JavaScript works with HTML. DOM has 4 levels, beginning with level 0, which provides a low-level set of interfaces. Level 1 defines the core, which represents low-level structured documents of elements. Level 2 includes accessing and modifying the pages, as well as styling and traversing the pages. And Level 3 includes loading, saving, validating, and accessing the path. In this series, we will learn about how to change the content of HTML elements and change its style, how to react to DOM events, add and delete elements, and learn about document interface, and also some of the methods we use in JavaScript to manipulate HTML. Stay tuned and support this series so we can bring you more free and excellent courses in the future. In the next video, we will learn how to select an item or an object in JS and how to manipulate its attributes using an example. And if you are still watching until now, please share, subscribe, and help us in any way you can. Thank you.